Come with me, guys. Let's make some beautiful samosa wraps.
So today I'll be showing you the easiest way I make my samosa wrap at home. So in this bowl I have 1 cup of flour. I'll add half teaspoon of salt and I'll go in with 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. I'll put 1 cup of water and mix all the ingredients. You need to stir hard to get rid of any lump that has been formed. You can sieve this if you think there are lumps in your batter. So this is the consistency you should have. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. So to make the sheet, I'm going to pour some batter in a non-stick frying pan. So I'm trying to make the batter cover the base of the frying pan. Once this is done, I'm going to put it on fire and this should be on low heat. I'll leave it to cook for some seconds until the batter becomes translucent. Once everything looks translucent, use a knife or a kitchen fork to pull it out this way. Then your samosa sheet is ready to be used. You can go ahead and cut, fold and put your fillings and fry your samosa. This is just about the easiest way to make your samosa wrap at home. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that already. Leave your video suggestions in the comment section below and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, keep being amazing, keep cooking, keep trying out new recipes. I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.